What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all, to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe. So, not too much going on today right now, SHIB Army. You know, it's kind of quiet, but this is what we expect. We usually get complete silence, complete lack of faith, you know, before we start to see some things really take off in the market. Those that have been around the block a few times, or at least last year, to see, you know, what took place with SHIB, they can attest to this. So right now we're just checking the Shiba Inu community to see what's going on for the day, getting updated on everything. I already checked you know, all the main team leaders pages. They haven't retweeted or made any posts today, so we just gotta, you know, find some you know, interesting news and see what the community is thinking. But we already know tomorrow is supposed to be the release of Shibarium, or at least like a beta version or some version. So I'm expecting tomorrow to be a really hyped up day. So let's get into this. So far we got 17 comments in the daily discussion. So let's check this out real quick, see what people are talking about. So hello, SHIB Army. Shiba coin wanted to withdraw from Binance with the withdrawal fee. Is it cheaper to transfer? Let's rally some excitement back here. Game release is October 1st. We need every person in this subreddit telling every kid, niece, nephew about the new SHIB game. Everyone in the world is looking for a safe place to put money, or better yet, a place to make money. This game release could be the catalyst for a solid breakout. So let's see what others are saying. Someone updated that he now has 100 million SHIB and showing that here. Which is, okay, he just added an additional 14 million to complete his 100 million SHIB. You know, I just want to make sure that y'all are ready before things actually take off. You know, let's say if you wake up tomorrow and the price is up 45%, would you be saying, you know, like, you know, I wish I would have bought some more, you know, earlier. You know, I wish I would have dollar cost averages. If you've been sticking to your strategy and you're already, you know, good where you are, then that's perfectly fine. And also, gotta put the disclaimer: this is not financial advice. Never risk more than you're willing to lose. Understand that crypto is highly volatile, and there are a lot slower and safer assets that you could be investing in. So keep that in mind. There's bonds for one. You know, also some people may prefer real estate. You know, so you gotta just, you know, decide what's best for you. But someone says, you know, I did have a thought of buying for fun because it's so cheap. Who knows? Skip the bank for sure. Someone else says, I've been here since the beginning. I believe it's going to pay off. Someone else says, when I was reading about it and looking, it was cheap and not much growth either way. Seems like it could catch fire out of K. So obviously this person missed out on the, you know, last year growth that we seen. You know, everybody that got in, you know, even some of the people that came in late, you know, after we were talking about it on the channel, a lot of those individuals are still up on their SHIB investments. So y'all have to remember that, you know, there's not, if you're into the SHIB Army, you're one of the new people and you're feeling, you know, pain like, you know, sheesh, I'm down, or you could have bought at the top, you know, you could have bought after the price broke out. So this is what I'm trying to prevent you newcomers from, you know, doing, waiting until the price breaks out. Then you try to buy once you FOMO, and then the price ends up pulling back, and now you're being stuck underwater. So keep that in mind. 100 million SHIB as well, not much to lose, but rooting for 1 cent will change my life, worth the gamble. So we got people, you know, bullish towards that 1 cent goal, so he's long term. Someone else says, it is wiser to have your savings in an asset with a higher promising growth potential than in a bank with outrageous interest. Exactly. Bank rates, interest rates are not even like 2%, you know, not even 1% really. Should I buy? I can't be the only one who's with me. I have been investing for a long time. My only advice is don't trust MSM and understand that crypto is very volatile. Okay, so we got a couple posts there. Let's see what others are talking about. I hope all the SHIB Army is safe after Hurricane Ian. Yeah, definitely prayers go out to everybody over there. You know, hopefully y'all are safe. You know, doing what y'all can to, you know, just stay safe, man. Or I've just actually seen some videos that was going on over there, like people being actually stuck in their house and in the attic and stuff. It was crazy, like, to see the water levels like that. I never seen anything like that. So Someone else says third quarter ends tomorrow. No Shibarium. So let's see what the talk is here. We got 93 different comments. Someone says F and relax, people. Someone else says put the knife away and step away from the keyboard. So they're basically talking about how people are so excited and pumped up about, you know, the release of Shibarium, man. It isn't even tomorrow yet, and he said no Shibarium. Third quarter ends tomorrow, you know, so we could have the release tomorrow. He's still fed up, you know. He just can't take it. He one of those people that's right on the edge. But, you know, it's always good to see that type of passion in the SHIB army as well. Hopefully, you know, everybody's becoming more educated, so that way, you know, they're more relaxed and cool about what's going on. But yeah, it's good. It's good to see overall people have that much care about it. But delays in software development. This is unprecedented, I say. Someone else says Shiba is a legit company nowadays and needs to run things through legal first, amongst other checks and balances. We all know Shibarium is coming very soon, and I can't wait for the ecosystem to realize its full potential. So even if, let's say it doesn't release tomorrow, right, and a lot of people lose some hope and the price pulls back, I'll be doing nothing more than taking advantage of that discount. That would not shake me out. That would not make me get discouraged, because we still would know that it's on the way. But now they're even more, you know, pressed for time, or not pressed for time, but just, you know, squeezed to, you know, release it. We even know that it's, you know, going to be really coming soon if they, you know, if the outrage pours out about them not releasing it tomorrow. So I'm bullish on it. I think, you know, it's definitely coming soon. You know, also keep an eye on Bone Token. But these devs never deliver something when they say they're going to. And this is what someone is commenting right now. And some things they don't deliver at all. The sooner folks stop groveling at their feet like fanboys and start holding them accountable as a community, the sooner things will move our way. Someone else says the devs have delivered what they said they would. Sure, delays can happen if life deadlines could have been missed, but they have still delivered. Someone else says, yeah, good grief. As a dev, I had a nickel every time some moron confidently criticized the development process. I'd be able to buy 90% of the supply and burn it myself. Development takes time. Estimates are not exact. Complications happen. Scope creep happens. And these are real human beings who occasionally have to take unexpected time off, or reassess what they're working on, deal with it. Also keep in mind, things that get delivered on exact deadlines often have the most bugs. Sometimes you have to delay to make sure it's thoroughly tested. Someone else says, I am also a software engineer. I get it. There are also dependencies that need to be put in place before we can truly evaluate the entire ecosystem. So a lot of people, you know, kind of adding some feedback, agreeing to, you know, even if it did take a little bit longer, you know, no one will really trip off of that. I mean, of course, there'll be some people that are, you know, kind of fed up there at the end with SHIB, you know, they're saying, but they'll be back once they start to see everything, you know, going crazy again. They'll just have to buy in at higher prices. But, you know, we just got to give them some time, y'all. That's all. Let's see what others are saying. Okay, yeah, so people commenting on, you know, just waiting for it to happen, giving their opinion about that. But yeah, we got the game about to release, you know, for sure the game releases for complete download October 1st. So whether or not, you know, Shibarium is delayed, October 1st is going to be very, very bullish. So not saying that we're going to get some ridiculous skyrocket, you know, in the price, but it could reflect in the price though. You know, if people are, you know, bullish and it gets a lot of hype, a lot of news articles start covering how we're #1 in the App Store, you know, that could potentially, you know, pique the interest of other investors, bigger players in the space, and, you know, get them interested in SHIB. But that's all we got for this video. I'll keep y'all updated. We might do a live stream later on. Nothing really going on too crazy right now. Check the overall market. SHIB is trading sideways right now. Normally when we see that, it's likely that a breakout is soon to happen. So, you know, you just got to be patient, y'all. But yeah, nothing going too crazy today. Everything basically trading sideways. We got Bitcoin at 19,492, Ethereum at 1335, BNB at 284, XRP at 47 cents. So XRP up 6.8% for the day. Cardano at 43 cents, Solana $34, up 1.8%, Doge at 6 cents, and SHIB at that 1114 level. But that's all we got for this video. Appreciate everybody for pulling up, and we are out.